Okay, so Bijan, let's proceed ahead with your mock interview for Gas Authority of India Limited. So, brief introduction from your side.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Bijan Kumar Behera. You can address me as Bijan. I am from Baleswar, Odisha, which is a coastal city of Odisha. I am from a nuclear family, and it consists of my father, mother, and my sister and my grandmother. I did my graduation from National Institute of Technology, Raulkela. It is an important important institute of all over India. I did my graduation majoring in chemical engineering and having a minor in mechanical engineering. I did secure 8.49 CGPA in chemical engineering and 9.12 CGPA in mechanical engineering. Apart from this, I have done one project under our professor in my final year, which the topic was enhancement of heat transfer in a rectangular channel using ANSYS fluent. And about extracurricular activities, I was part of one club named AICHE, which is American Institute for Chemical Engineers. I was also the secretary of that club for 1 year. So this is all about my introduction. Thank you.
Okay, so what is the meaning of vision?
Sir, its meaning in different languages are different. Like in my native language, Odia, it's mean like be, like there is two word, like it's combination of two word, be, which mean nothing, and jana means people. So you can say a place which is like a place where no one is there, so silent kind of place. So this is what can I interpret it. And in Parsi, vision means hero. But yeah, this is all the meaning of vision. And my name basically not because of this reason. My father's name was Vangshidhara Behera and my mother's name was Amita Rani Behera. And so they combine those, the initial of my father and mother. So they come up with this name, Bijan.
Okay.
So this is
okay, so Bijan, we consider you hero only. So we'll go with Parsi, Parsi name. So tell me something about NIRF ranking of NIT Rourkela. What is NIRF ranking?
The NIRF ranking is like 16 in all over all university in India.
Okay.
And in engineering and in all NITs, its ranking is 2. Like one, like NIT Trichy is the number 1, then NIT Rourkela comes.
After Trichy comes Rourkela. Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you got in mechanical minor more than 9 CGPA, but in chemical you got less than that.
Yes, sir. That is the main reason is the first year. In our first year, like there are all the interdisciplinary subjects are there, in which I got less marks, which is electrical engineering and all. So because of that, my CGPA is quite low in this. But after that,
what is your all India rank in GATE?
Sir, it is 81.
You may be having other opportunities also from other public sector.
So till now, I didn't get call from interview from other PSUs. It is my first interview in a PSU.
So, what do you know about the Gas Authority of India Limited, Bijan?
Yes, sir. So Gas Authority of India Limited, or GAIL, is a Maharatna company which established in 1984, and it got its Maharatna status in 2013. And it is a company which mainly deals with processing and transportation of natural gas, and it also has 5 different plants in different part of India. One in two in Madhya Pradesh, 2 in Gujarat, and 1 in.
So how this GAIL is different from other oil sectors? Can you tell me that? Tell me something special about GAIL.
So one thing which is attracts me about GAIL is it's always works on greener energy or cleaner energy, which is a wonderful thing in this kind of world. And another thing is like it's also involved in telecom sector. Like there is a GAIL-Tel, like which is basically involved in telecommunication. And this is done different thing about other PSUs. Other PSUs don't involve in telecom.
Okay. Do you know we are going to start a dedicated biogas plant? You know that?
Yes, sir. I haven't heard about that. Maybe I have skipped.
Okay. Do you know what is biogas?
Yes, sir. Biogas is basically the gas, or it is a kind of fuel which we get from biological things.
Any example?
That is like gobar gas.
Gobar gas, yeah. तो अगर मेरे को गोबर गैस बायोगैस बनाना है लार्ज स्केल पे, कमर्शियल लेवल पे, तो उतना गोबर तो मेरे पास नहीं होगा एंड मैं गाय भी नहीं पालूंगा, तो कैसे बनता है वो? हाउ विल गेट सो मच ऑफ बायोगैस?
Sir, I don't know the exact process.
And what is natural gas?
Sir, natural gas is basically combination, like mainly consist of like it is a fuel basically. It is mainly consist of methane and ethane. So this is the
Can you compare biogas and natural gas as far as the fuel are concerned? इन दोनों को comparison कर सकते हैं आप?
Sir, obviously, natural gas have more calorific value, but I don't know exactly about biogas and all. That is why what I guess. I don't know the exact differences.
Okay, Vijan, आपने pipeline के बारे में सुना होगा, gas authority का pipeline?
Yes, sir.
GAIL का.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is special about that?
Sir, it spread all over the India, and they also use this pipeline. I think they also use this pipeline not only for distribution of gas, but also for distribution of telecommunication.
अच्छा, जैसे हम नेचुरल गैस को पाइपलाइन के थ्रू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं,
yes, sir.
तो क्या हम एलपीजी को नहीं कर सकते पाइपलाइन के थ्रू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट? जो सिलेंडर ट्रक में भर के सिलेंडर लेके जाते हैं, उसको हम गैस.
Yes, sir. For that we have to like gasify the LPG. Then we have to again pass through the pipeline. Then we have to again liquefy that. So like we cannot. It will be very costly to transport using
natural gas
pipeline. Yes, sir. Natural gas we can transport using pipeline.
उसको क्यों नहीं compress करना पड़ता है?
Sir, natural gas is basically gas, so we don't need to compress it or anything. We just need to like
LPG को गैस की फॉर्म में ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दो, और जहां डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है वहां उसको कंप्रेस करके सिलेंडर में डाल के दे दो. व्हाट इज द ट्रबल?
Sir,
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन तो बच जाएगा.
But for the transportation, yeah, that can be done, but I think because of some kind of limitation, it is not.
अच्छा, GAIL is into selling marketing part also. हम पेट्रोल पंप देखे हैं, हम जैसे पेट्रोल पंप होते हैं वैसे गैस पंप देखे हैं क्या आपने?
Yes, sir. Not gas pump, but there is a city gas distribution center in different kind cities, metropolitan cities. There are in Delhi. First, they started that city gas distribution center in Delhi, New Delhi. Then after that, they have started in different part of India. And I have like in a recent year, they also expanded to Odisha, like in Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. That I have known.
Okay, when did you graduate, Vijan?
Sir, this year only, 2021.
आपके what are favorite subjects?
Sir, my favorite subject include mass transfer, heat transfer.
Only heat and mass transfer, these two?
Sir, yeah, these two I am quite good at, but I have studied every subject like mass.
अच्छा, अगर मैं आपको एक
ball दे दूं,
suppose I give you a ball.
Yes, sir.
उसके एक तरफ सोलर रेडिएशन है, धूप निकला हुआ है, सन रेज है, और रूम के अंदर है. हाउ डू यू कैलकुलेट द हीट ट्रांसफर?
Sir, first we have to calculate the heat entering to the wall using radiation calculation, like Q equal to Boltzmann constant into T to the power 4 into area into the emissivity of the wall. Then we have to calculate using conduction. So how much heat will be transferred from this to this? That is how we calculate.
अच्छा, अगर मेरे को wall की conductivity बहुत कम करनी हो, what can I do?
Sir, conductivity, to reducing the conductivity, we can use like different material, like insulating material, like we can like use
अच्छा, अगर मैं
different.
दो वॉल बना दूं और उसके बीच में स्पेस खाली छोड़ दूं तो
Yes sir, that is can be done, yeah.
तो
Yes,
वो करते
yes,
क्यों नहीं है?
that will be very costly and
बाय कॉस्टली, मेरे को तो दो वॉल बनानी है और स्पेस खाली छोड़ना है, मैं तो मटेरियल डाल ही नहीं रहा हूँ, कॉस्टली क्यों हो जाएगा?
sir, दो
यू
wall
अंडरस्टैंड माय
बनाना.
पॉइंट?
Yes sir, yes
नहीं,
sir.
जितनी वॉल बना रहे हो उतनी बनाओ, बीच में थोड़ा सा स्पेस खाली छोड़ दो, उसमें एयर आ जाएगी, एयर इज अ बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, नो?
Yes sir.
तो मैं जितनी वॉल बना रहा हूँ, लेट से मेरे को 10 सेंटीमीटर बनानी है, मैं 10 सेंटीमीटर ही बनाऊंगा, बीच में 2-3 सेंटीमीटर का गैप छोड़ दूंगा और 2-3 सेंटीमीटर एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस ले लूंगा, मटेरियल उतना यूज हो रहा है, स्पेस भी बहुत ज्यादा यूज नहीं हो रहा, लेकिन हीट कंडक्टिविटी रुक सकती है।
Yes sir, रुक सकती है, but after some time maybe there are problem because of air is trapped in between them. So air have very less conductivity, but it may expand or it may compress. So that is why maybe some kind
बट
of,
नॉट टू द लेवल ऑफ वॉल,
yeah,
वॉल भी तो
but
एक्सपेंड
maybe
करेगा।
some kind of, yeah, but some kind of problem maybe occur. That's why it is not.
ओवर टू यू निखिल सर।
Thank you, Vijender sir. Vijan, my first, I want to know about your project.
Yes sir, my project is basically on enhancement of heat transfer in a rectangular pipe flow and using ANSYS Fluent software. Basically, I did it in computational CFD technique, using CFD technique. In that, like we have to enhance the heat transfer. There are basically three ways of enhancing heat transfer. One is we can increase the area of heat transfer, or we can increase the temperature difference, or we can increase the heat transfer coefficient. So over here, like we cannot increase the temperature because when we enter a fluid, basically the temperature difference decreases, it don't increases. So temperature difference, we cannot increase that particular part. And also as the area is fixed, we cannot increase the, as the length are fixed, so we cannot increase the area of cross section. So we have only one option, that we can increase the H, like heat transfer coefficient. For that, we basically try to make the fluid turbulent. So to make the fluid turbulent, we use different kind of obstacle in between. Periodically, we use different kind of obstacle in between so that it make the fluid turbulent. So if the fluid become turbulent, so the Reynolds number will increase, and from Dittus-Walter equation, which is Nusselt number equal to 0.023 into Reynolds number to the power 0.8 into Prandtl number to the power 0.3, where the Reynolds number basically increases, so Nusselt number also increases. So from that we know also Nusselt number equal to HL by K, where L is the characteristic length, which is also constant over here, and K is also constant for a particular range of temperature, and so H will only increase by that, so we can enhance the heat transfer. So that is the whole concept over here. So what we did, like we use two different kind of obstacle. One is an rectangular shape and another is an circular, semicircular shape. So using those, we analyze all the things in ANSYS Fluent software. Then after that, we got like for the semicircular one, we are getting slightly more than the rectangular shape. So that is what I do. That is what I do.
Does the heat exchanger, the heat transfer rate depends on the length of the heat exchanger, heat transfer area? This is the only criteria. You said that we cannot extend the length of the heat exchanger. So this is the only way that we can increase the heat transfer area, or there is other way?
Sir, like this is not the only way. Also, we can increase the length and do the same, but it will be more costly. And
what about the corrugations? What about attaching plate fins or corrugated fins? What about that?
Yeah, that can be done. Like, but this is the corrugation. Yeah, that can be done. But because of corrugation, after doing the corrugation, maybe the heat transfer enhancement would be not that much that we get in here. So that is why we do. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, obviously, if we corrugate the surface, then obviously we'll get turbulent.
कोरुगेशन
medium.
करने से आपका लेंथ तो नहीं इंक्रीज हो रहा है हीट एक्सचेंजर का?
Yes sir, लेंथ इंक्रीज नहीं होगा, बट टर्बुलेंट होगा, बट इतना ज्यादा नहीं होगा. हो सकता है इतना ज्यादा होगा, स्लाइटली इंक्रीज होगा, बट इतना ज्यादा नहीं होगा.
इतना ज्यादा नहीं. और क्या मेथड हीट ट्रांसफर रेट बढ़ाने को, एनहांसमेंट का? और क्या मेथड?
एरिया हम लोग बढ़ा सकते हैं, एरिया लाइक लेंथ बढ़ा के, और टेम्परेचर.
और कुछ केमिकल मेथड?
केमिकल मेथड अभी तो याद नहीं आ रहा है कुछ.
ओके, व्हाट इज कॉम्पैक्ट हीट एक्सचेंजर?
सर कॉम्पैक्ट हीट एक्सचेंजर, like one I can give an example, which is plate type heat exchanger. It takes very less space, but do the the exchanger, it basically the compact heat exchanger is a heat exchanger which take very less space. So that is what a compact heat exchanger is. One of the example is plate type heat exchanger. It is like all different, all the plates are there, and in between the plate, one side of the plate is hot fluid and another side plate is cold fluid. So that is how we pass the fluid, and there is a small hole in between.
Okay. What is the area density for a compact heat exchanger? Minimum area density?
I don't remember the exact number.
Okay. Do you know which component has highest area density?
Area density?
Yes. Sir, what is area density?
Sir, in minimum area, how much heat transfer we can be done?
Minimum area, or in minimum volume, how much area we can?
Yeah, in minimum
density is always something divided by volume.
Divided by volume. Yes, sir. So minimum
compact heat exchanger आपका कौन सा टाइप फ्लूइड मिक्सचर के लिए यूज हो सकता है? लिक्विड गैस कौन सा टाइप का यूज?
सर लिक्विड मेनली.
लिक्विड के लिए हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, both side will be liquid, so sir, I don't know the exact.
What is the working principle of centrifugal pump?
Centrifugal pump, sir, basically it works on like there is a suction side, there is a delivery side, and there is a impeller in between. So what happens when the impeller rotates, then there is just pressure will be reduced in the inside of an impeller. Then that basically suck the water from the bottom, and after that water will have to pass through the impeller. But impeller is designed such way that its area increases, and as the area of the impeller increases, so the velocity of the velocity of the fluid basically decreases. So as the velocity decreases, as the continuity equation A1 V1 equal to A2 V2,
impeller का area increase हो रहा है. impeller का area कैसे increase हो रहा है?
सर impeller का area नहीं, impeller को ऐसे
वॉल्यूम केसिंग का जो एरिया है वो,
या वॉल्यूट केसिंग का एरिया, या मतलब वो डिजाइन, या वॉल्यूट केसिंग का एरिया इंक्रीज होगा. सो उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी लॉस होगा, एंड वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्रेशर एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट होगा, एंड उसी प्रेशर एनर्जी के साथ वो बाहर निकलेगा. सो दैट इज द मेन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ
okay. What is the significance of heat transfer coefficient?
Significance, sir, heat transfer coefficient, like it tells us the how much heat transfer will be there in a particular fluid. So this is the main significance, and it is a physical property of a material. Or
हर heat transfer का बताता है या सिर्फ convection का बताता है?
Yeah, like no, heat transfer coefficient.
Yes.
Yeah.
Conduction में बताएगा?
Not for the conduction, but no sir, only for the convection only.
So what does it tell? What is the significance of heat transfer coefficient?
So, like
on which parameters heat transfer coefficient depend?
Sir, basically all the chemical composition and all the parameter, like composition of a material and all the like property of the matter. It basically depends all the property of the matter that is there.
बस हो गई.
Like
मैटर मतलब क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? मतलब फ्लूइड का?
इस
फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टी.
इस फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टी
और क्या होगा?
It also depend on the velocity and viscosity also. Viscosity and the velocity in which fluid is flowing. So
Okay.
and also density of the fluid के ऊपर भी ये depend करता है.
वो प्रॉपर्टी हो गया फ्लूइड. और कुछ?
और क्या है? I think इतना.
Geometry, flow geometry. किस geometry में जा रहा है?
Yes. Flow geometry also.
Okay, what is the effect of vibration and pulsation on H? अगर ज़्यादा vibration, what is the effect of vibration and pulsation on heat transfer coefficient?
I don't know.
Try करो, सोचो थोड़ा.
So vibration and procession.
चलो.
Sir, you are muted.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the different products of GAL?
Yes, sir. The main products that there is GAL have a petrochemical plant. Over there, the main products are naphtha, and one is methane, one is ethane, and another is propane and pentane. So these are the main products of GAL, and also natural gas and all LPG are also the product of GAL.
What is the difference between LPG and CNG?
Sir, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, and its main components each butane and also propane. This is the main component of LPG each, and it basically stored in a liquid form. And about CNG, CNG is compressed natural gas, and natural gas main components are methane, and it contains very small amount of ethane and propane also, but its main component is basically methane. So obviously, it is kept in a gas phase, but in compressed gas phase. So that is what is the main difference, and this is the main difference between.
Any other difference? Boiling point का difference क्या होगा?
The boiling point of CNG is very less than that of LPG.
अच्छा, नाफ्ता किस चीज का फीडस्टॉक हो सकता है? नाफ्ता से क्या बनता है?
नाफ्ता से हम लोग डिफरेंट पेट्रोकेमिकल बना सकते हैं.
पेट्रोकेमिकल तो बात बनेगा, और क्या बनता है? रिफाइनरी में क्या बनता है?
रिफाइनरी में नाफ्ता से I unable to recall the answer.
Okay, no problem. Okay, sir, I am done from my side.
So you can give your feedback, Nikita.
Okay. Vision, I have asked you about what significance of H. Okay.
Yes.
तो H का significance ये है कि आप वो मतलब कन्वेक्शन करो, वो उसको बताता है. ठीक है, क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स चाहिए हम लोग. फ्लूइड का नेचर ऑफ फ्लूइड क्या है, ठीक है, नेचर फ्लूइड का फ्लो कैसा है, और फ्लूइड का प्रॉपर्टी क्या क्या है. ठीक है, ये मेजर पैरामीटर्स है जिसमें वो डिपेंड करता है. और सरफेस ज्योमेट्री क्या है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. ये हो गया. फिर कॉम्पैक्ट हीट एक्सचेंजर के बारे में पूछा मैं आपसे. कॉम्पैक्ट हीट एक्सचेंजर, व्हाट इज कॉम्पैक्ट हीट एक्सचेंजर? द एरिया डेंसिटी शुड बी मोर देन 700 मीटर स्क्वायर पर मीटर. ओके.
So, can you repeat the number? 700?
The area density is more than 700 meters square per meter. That is the requirement for a compact heat exchanger. Okay. and I have asked you like for what kind of fluid mixture it requires. तो आपका ऐसा फ्लूइड मिक्सचर में रिक्वायर होगा जहाँ जिसमें आपका एच का वैल्यू लो होता हो, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली हमको हीट ट्रांसफर की ड्यूटी बढ़ानी है ना। तो जहाँ एच का वैल्यू लो होगा और डेल्टी को हम लोग उतना रेस्ट्रिक्टेड रहता है, उसको उतना बढ़ा नहीं पाएंगे, है ना। तो हम एरिया ही बढ़ा सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो एरिया कैसे बढ़ाएंगे आप, या तो थीन प्लेट अटैच करेंगे या कोरुगेशन करेंगे। तो एरिया बस एच का वैल्यू किसका कम रहता है आपका, जनरली गैस का रहता है। गैस लिक्विड या गैस के मिक्सचर्स के लिए हम लोग कॉम्पैक्ट हीट एक्सचेंजर यूज होता है, ठीक है। और पल्सेशंस और वाइब्रेशंस अगर पाइप का बढ़ रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है, टर्बुलेंस बढ़ रहा है, ओके। और एच डिपेंड क्या करता है, आपका रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर में डिपेंड करता है। वाइब्रेशंस और पल्सेशंस बढ़ रहा है तो एच का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा। और ठीक है, बाकी सही है, आप बाकी तो नॉलेज सही है आपको। बस वही है कि जो जो इक्विपमेंट है उसके बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए, ठीक है। कंप्रेसर हो गया, सेंट्रिफ्यूगल पंप हो गया, हीट एक्सचेंजर हो गया, क्योंकि आपका प्रोजेक्ट भी हीट एक्सचेंजर के ऊपर में है, तो उसको अच्छे से थोड़ा पढ़िए। हर काइंड ऑफ हीट एक्सचेंजर पढ़िए। मैं तो बस एक तो पूछा आपसे, कॉम्पैक्ट के बारे में पूछा, उसमें भी आपने अच्छे से आंसर नहीं दिया। और आपका प्रोजेक्ट भी वैसा है तो उसमें बहुत सारा पूछ सकते हैं। केमिकल मेथड्स क्या हो सकता है, नैनो मटेरियल्स हम यूज करते हैं हीट ट्रांसफर एनहांसमेंट के लिए, नैनो मटेरियल्स भी यूज होता है उसमें, ठीक है। तो ऐसा बहुत सारा मेथड है, तो अगर वो चीज आपको अच्छे से बताना है तो हर चीज को डिफेंड करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो ये सब चीज आपका हीट ट्रांसफर आपको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट भी हीट ट्रांसफर बता रहे हैं वहाँ पे, तो बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। ठीक है, बाकी आपका नॉलेज ठीक है, कंपनी के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़िए, इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या क्या है, ठीक है। और नाफ्था आपका बेसिकली पेट्रोल के लिए बनता है, ठीक है। नाफ्था से हम लोग पेट्रोल बनाते हैं, और पेट्रोकेमिकल तो बाद में जब रिफाइनरी से जो बच जाता है तो बाद में ट्रांसपोर्ट होकर दूसरे इंडस्ट्री में जाता है, ठीक है। ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल।
Okay, so Vision, they will ask you about Balasore, they will ask you about the region you are in, and about NIT Rourkela, they will ask you, and why GAIL you want to join, and something about GAIL they will ask you, right? And they will ask you about your placements, where did you get placement in college, and why you could not get placement if you did not get placement.
Sir, actually one question, like I got the placement in a particular company, but I didn't get the offer letter till now. I am expecting that in the August. So should I tell them or not?
You should say, sir, I got in this company, but they did not send offer letter so far. And don't say I'm expecting in August. That you don't say.
Yes, sir.
Simply say I did not get the call letter.
Yes, sir.
Because of COVID or something, sir, I did not get call letter. And at the same time, I was preparing for public sector, so I concentrated more on that profession. Yes, and then they will ask you about GAIL, entire thing about GAIL. Study, read as much as possible about GAIL. Yes, and if they ask you why not other PSUs or all, it says, sir, this is the best opportunity, I think. And this is the best PSU. Know more about Gas Authority of India Limited. Little bit more question. And you know, they can ask you ticklish question also, which you may not answer sometime. Before you say no, just think for a while. Give some kind of permutation combination if you know. And then this is how you have to say no, right? So not knowing things is very normal. So they may ask you something which you may get confused, because they are sitting there to ask question and see your reaction to that. So they can ask question from different perspective. Any sort of question they can ask, right? Whatever comes to their mind, they will ask you. And they just want to check your response to that. It is not that you should answer every question. So be mentally prepared for that. Display your confidence and display the knowledge which you have. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Right? Vision?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Thank you.